Everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to make a public profile on Snapchat. If you want to make public profile on Snapchat, first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply click on profile icon. After that, you have to make sure you have to click on some settings so that after you have created your public profile, you can use that easily. These are the settings which are as view my story, so you have to click on everyone so that everyone can see your story. After that, you have to click on contact me, and you have to also select everyone for that. After that, you have to simple click on see my location, and you have to do the setting, and you have to turn off the ghost mode here. So after turning off, you have to make sure that you have turned on all these settings. Now I will tell you how you can create make a public profile on Snapchat. If you click on setting, then after scrolling down, you can see there are many settings which are available here. You can easily find create a public profile, so you have to click on that. If you click on create a public profile, then they will tell you how you can use public profile and how it will help you. After reading all the things, you can simply click on get started, and you have to select create. After doing all the things, your Snapchat will be created, and this is your public profile. Here you can edit your all the necessary setting, which means you have to upload your profile picture, and you have to add a bio, you have to add a location, and you have to click here the subscriber count, which means if anyone on your public profile subscribe you, then it will show on your profile. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.